ServiceNow loves to sell bundles, those shiny platform deals that promise big discounts if you buy multiple modules at once, ITSM, ITOM, HRSD, all packaged together supposedly for less. Sounds great, right? Here's the catch. Those bundles often make you pay for things you're not ready to use. That's how shelfware creeps in. The math looks good on paper, but the discounts aren't evenly spread. You might get 60% off one product, while another sits near full price. And once you sign that bundle, you're locked in. All modules share the same renewal date, and if you drop one, you might lose the discount on the rest. Here's the tip. Always ask for breakout pricing on each module, even if it's presented as a bundle. Compare the total 3-year cost of just what you'll use now versus the full package. In many cases, buying a la carte and adding later saves more than the bundle discount. If you do go for a bundle, negotiate protections, swap rights, partial cancellation clauses, or stage deployment so you only pay when you actually deploy. Before you sign a platform deal, make sure it's a strategy, not a trap. If you want to see how your ServiceNow bundle compares to market benchmarks, we can help you model it, line by line, and find the smarter path forward.